Alright everyone, so we have some huge news on the Revvl 6 Pro 5G. It seems like the gaming has now been fixed. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the Revvl 6 Pro right here. Obviously we've been having some issues on this phone. If you guys have been following my videos on the Revvl 6 Pro and the Revvl 6, we could not load Call of Duty Mobile, we could not load PUBG, there were some other games we couldn't load, and if you guys have this issue, I actually do have a fix for this now, because it seems like most people were having this issue. There were some people who actually just got to boot up those games and they ran perfectly well, but with my device and many others, I actually booted up this device, put in my email, downloaded these games from the Play Store, and they would not run. It was saying something like you had to access all permissions for the storage or something like that, something weird like that. But what I ended up doing is I went to settings and I went to factory reset right here. And I know this sucks, I know this really does suck, but if you guys do want to play the games, you can back up your device, your photos and all that type of stuff, so definitely go ahead and do that. But for the games to work, you are going to have to erase all data and factory reset. And then I booted up the phone again and it finally worked. PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile do work now, so that is some great news. I am super hyped about that, and they actually run very, very well on this device. So I'm super glad I got this before the review, because when I do the review of this device, that was one of the issues why I was saying don't buy this device. I don't know why T-Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile didn't send out like a warning or anything, or like a fix update or something for these. They definitely need to be more aware in the social media space that things like this are happening. And if you guys can tag T-Mobile, let them know. Hopefully they can send out an over-air update so more people don't have issues like this. But we're going to be showing you how PUBG Mobile works and Call of Duty Mobile works now that these games are working on the Revvl 6 Pro 5G. So that's what happened for me. All I did was factory reset it, and then the game started working once I downloaded them again. So that's literally all I did. If you guys have other permissions in the applications that you need to allow access to, that may work as well. But the number one thing that I did, because it wasn't working at all before, was I factory reset the device, download the games again, and they finally worked. But now that we got that out of the way, I'm hoping that works for you. Hopefully that's going to fix your issues. But we do have Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG, and we're going to show you how these games work on here. Also guys, I'm so sorry I was super late with this video. I know I should have figured this out quicker. However, I did have some devices like the A23 5G and some other sponsored content to do, so very sorry for the lack of content on this device. I will be doing some more uploads on the 6 and 6 Pro 5G. If there's anything else you guys want me to cover, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll go ahead and do that. So for our graphic quality and our frame rate, they are set to medium. And I didn't play with these at all. It looks like you can actually set your frame rate to high as well, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. But those are the presets, are medium on both frame rate and graphic quality. As for the graphic style, we have it on dynamic, and we're gonna go ahead and play a multiplayer match right now. Speaker is decent if you're not covering it up. Do keep in mind we only have one speaker on this device. This is not dual speaker capable, but we're gonna see how this goes. Graphics look decent. Doesn't look like there's any sort of slowdown so far. Got our first elimination. Sorry guys, I'm looking through a camera, so it's a little harder. So game runs perfectly. I don't see any issues on this so far. So no issues at all. Looks like we're doing great on here. Let's go ahead and try one of these specials. So we have no issues with Call of Duty Mobile. Next up, PUBG Mobile. Alright everyone, so as far as the graphics and audio goes, it looks like we are set by default on a high frame rate, and we are set to HD on our graphics, and that is the highest we can go to on graphics. So that's a pretty good preset, and this is how it looks so far. Everything looks loaded in, everything looks decent. So you know, the Dimensity 700 processor is doing an okay job. Let's go ahead and unfollow these guys, and let's turn off this voice chat because I know it's gonna get loud in a second. But let's go ahead and jump. The sniper already? What? Oh, we have somebody shooting already. Who was that? Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, I see you. Where you at? Look at you, bro. Look at you. Alright, we got a first elimination right there. Great. Didn't see really any trouble with the recoil on this gun at all. Shadowing looks great. Graphics look really good on this. This is definitely going to be playable for sure. And the phone hasn't heated up at all yet either, so that's some good news as well. See if we can find someone else, maybe a vehicle or something like that, see how that runs. Alright guys, so we're getting shot at. Where is this dude at? Oh, we see him. There we go. There we go. He's hiding. Where'd he go? Oh, we got him right there. What's up, buddy? Oh, I'm sorry about that. So it looks like this game runs perfectly fine. But yeah guys, that has been my experience on the Revvl 6 Pro 5G. For gaming, Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile works perfectly on this device. I would like to try Genshin Impact and some other games, so if you guys want me to try anything else on this phone, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if there's any other videos like tips and tricks and things like that you want me to do on this phone, let me know as well. Yeah guys, all you have to do is factory reset your device, make sure you back it up, and then we can actually go ahead and finally play Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG. But hopefully this video did help you out. Hopefully I gave you some value. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.